Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Let's break down the influencing factors of customer churn rate in a contact center. One of the most powerful drivers of churn in any contact center is service quality and the customer experience. Average wait time and queue time. When customers are forced to wait too long just to reach an agent, frustration builds quickly, and the likelihood of churn goes up. Service level. Poor SLA adherence, like answering only 50% of calls in 20 seconds versus an 80% target, weakens customer trust and confidence in the brand. First call resolution. When customers have to call multiple times to solve the same issue, their patience wears thin, and the risk of attrition rises sharply. Average handle time. Inefficient, drawn-out interactions make customers less likely to stay loyal. But remember, if AHT is too short, it can also indicate rushed or low-quality service. Abandonment rate. High abandon rates often signal high churn risk. Unresolved queries break trust, and once trust is lost, customers rarely return. Remember, strong service quality isn't just an operational win, it's one of the most effective churn prevention levers you have. Another critical factor influencing churn is agent performance and engagement. Soft skills, empathy, and active listening. When agents fail to connect emotionally, use a poor tone, or sound robotic, customers feel unheard. That emotional dissatisfaction often turns into lost loyalty. Knowledge and training. Inaccurate or inconsistent information shakes customer confidence. When customers don't get clear and reliable answers, they're more likely to turn to competitors. Agent attrition. High turnover means more inexperienced agents handling sensitive or complex issues. This increases errors, lowers service quality, and ultimately drives churn. Remember, agents are the human face of your contact center. Their skills, knowledge, and engagement directly shape the customer's decision to stay or to leave. A major driver of churn in modern contact centers is the customer journey and channel experience. Omnichannel consistency. Today's customers expect a seamless experience across voice, chat, SMS, email, and social. When handling is inconsistent from one channel to another, frustration builds and churn risk rises. Digital self-service availability. The absence of effective IVR systems, intelligent bots, or well-structured knowledge bases creates unnecessary friction, forcing customers to wait or repeat themselves. Escalation handling. When complaints are poorly managed or proactive follow-up is missing, customers feel ignored and undervalued, a fast track to churn. Remember, a smooth, connected, and proactive journey across channels isn't just good customer experience, it's a powerful retention engine. Another critical layer in churn prevention is customer relationship and engagement. Proactive retention efforts. When organizations fail to run effective win-back campaigns, offer loyalty rewards, or provide personalized outreach, valuable customers quietly slip away, accelerating churn. Customer sentiment and surveys. Ignoring negative feedback, like low CSAT, NPS, or CES scores, allows dissatisfaction to grow unchecked, eventually leading to customer attrition. VIP and high-value handling. Failing to prioritize and retain high customer lifetime value customers can significantly worsen the financial impact of churn, even if overall churn numbers seem stable. Remember, engagement isn't passive. Strong relationships and proactive outreach turn at-risk customers into loyal advocates and keep churn in check. Not all churn is caused inside the contact center. A significant share comes from competitive and external forces. Market alternatives: when competitors offer better service responsiveness, more attractive pricing, or smoother experiences, customers are quick to make the switch, causing churn to spike. Economic conditions: factors like recessions, inflation, or spending cuts make customers far more sensitive to both pricing and service quality, increasing the likelihood of attrition. Product or service issues beyond the contact center: sometimes, churn isn't about the agent or the queue at all. It stems from product defects, billing errors, or policy changes that frustrate customers and push them away, even if your contact center is performing well. Remember, to truly manage churn, organizations must look beyond the contact center walls and stay alert to the external landscape shaping customer decisions. When it comes to customer retention, internal business and policy decisions can quietly make or break loyalty. First, pricing transparency. When fees are hidden or bills are presented in a confusing way, customers lose trust fast. This confusion often turns into frustration, and frustration leads to cancellations. Next, contract terms. Rigid cancellation policies or poorly managed renewals can make customers feel trapped instead of valued. Remember, flexibility builds loyalty, while friction pushes customers away. And finally, technology and infrastructure. Outdated ACD, CRM, or WFM systems can create serious service gaps, from routing errors to dropped calls and inconsistent experiences. These breakdowns don't just affect efficiency, they directly erode customer confidence. In short, even the strongest customer strategy can fail if the internal foundation is weak. Transparent pricing, flexible policies, and modern technology are essential building blocks for sustainable loyalty. In summary, customer churn isn't caused by just one factor. It's the result of a combination of elements, from how well we deliver service, to the skills and empathy of our agents, to how smoothly we design the customer journey. Add to that the impact of external market forces and internal business policies, and churn becomes a clear reflection of the entire customer experience ecosystem. That's why a strong contact center strategy goes beyond simply tracking churn as a lagging metric. It focuses on identifying and addressing the root causes proactively, systematically, and continuously. Because when we solve the why behind churn, retention improves, customer trust grows, and long-term value is secured. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.